At 2:15 this morning, after the El Al flight from Ben Gurion to Toronto departed, the control tower was informed of a technical malfunction on the plane. The pilot, according to protocol, requested to return to land at Ben Gurion. The rescue teams, airport teams, and Israel Airports Authority staff rushed to the scene. The plane landed safely, and all the passengers disembarked and were transferred to the terminal to be taken care of by El Al. I'd like to note that throughout the whole process, the passengers were not in danger at all.